Congratulations on your decision to join Motor Club of America. There are a few key points we definitely want to make sure that we go over before you actually start your process of enrolling. So make sure you watch this video first before you actually get set up. Very important. First thing, you definitely want to make sure that you're using an acceptable form of payment. The acceptable forms of payment for enrolling into the MCA opportunity include any type of traditional credit card. You can also use a bank account, whether if you have a checking or a savings account, or even if you have a bank debit card that's associated with your checking account. So those are the three forms of payment that you can actually use. Again, those include traditional credit cards, a bank draft if you want to do that, or if you even have a bank debit card that's associated with your or attached to your checking account, you can definitely use any of those type of cards. Typically, those type of cards have either a Visa or a MasterCard logo on them. If you have a prepaid debit card or an online bank account, those methods of payment are not acceptable forms to use to enroll into the Motor Club of America opportunity. Prepaid debit cards include those cards that are associated with Walmart. They're like the Walmart prepaid card. They're the Green Dot, Account Now, NetSpend, the Rush card, Ace cards. There's just a lot of them out there. However, any form of prepaid or gift card, those aren't acceptable forms of payment when enrolling into the MCA opportunity. That also includes online bank accounts, those accounts that you can only set up your account online. Okay, so as long as you have the other three, credit cards or a bank draft or a bank debit card, you can act.
All right, guys, so you're ready to join Motor Club of America. This is so simple. This company has been phenomenal since I enrolled in 2012. I am a customer, and I'm so excited to have you here. So what you're going to do is, if you are on my direct website here, all you do is scroll down, and I pretty much sped up the registration process for you in under 3 minutes. So you'll be able to check out here, put in your name, email, phone number, your method of payment, your password, and place order. And then you are pretty much done. If it takes you to a follow-up page to fill out a form, do that, but you'll be done in about 3 minutes. So there you go. And just in case you are signing up on my email, this video will teach you exactly how to do that, okay? You'll check your email, you'll get an email from me, something like this, and it'll have the link for Motor Club of America. We abbreviate it MCA, okay? So you'll find the link directly for MCA, and this should be my link right here, tvcmatrix.com/MeganGood77. So this is the link right here. You'll click that link, and then you will follow the directions I gave you in the rest of the video, okay? But the easiest way to join is actually on the site, because we have the form embedded right here. And you want to make sure my name appears right here as your sponsor. Once you are done enrolling, either on my site or through the email link, either way, once you are done with enrolling, get back with me, contact me, and then I will get you your training so you can start not only to get your benefits, but you can start receiving money from Motor Club of America. All right? And I will actually flip the page so I can show you my number, my business line, right here. So if you want to pause the video at this point, you can do that. My business line and my email address provided. And once you join the team, we'll go ahead and give you your training, and then you can start earning $400 to $800 a week, part-time, full-time. And then by your second month, we look to scale that up to $1,500 plus every single week. So thank you for joining. And if you have a question, give me a call. And I look forward to having you a part of the team. See you soon. Bye. Okay, this is the marketing side to MCA. Okay, this is the what we call the affiliate link. You're gonna pick your package. Now the total security right here in red is what you want. Okay, for $19.95 a month. Click on that bubble or click on total security membership. Make sure this says MCA total security $19.95. You'll pay $39.90 your first month, then $19.99 or $19.95 a month thereafter. Hit add to cart. Now this is the same thing I did in October 2012. I joined, got my benefits, and made great income promoting it. So basically, this was my gas for the week, and I made $400 next week from home. Okay, plus the benefits. You're gonna fill this information out: your name, your email address, just something like that, phone number. Okay, the card number, it has to be a real credit card or debit card. Bank account, you can use a bank account, but if you use a bank account, we recommend that you flip back over and you call MCA, that number that I just showed on the screen, and speak to an associate to have them verify the bank account before they go ahead and stamp the payment as valid. Okay, the best option is a credit or debit card. Type in your number, 16-digit number, all accurate information, guys. That in there, the billing zip code, and the security code on the back of the card. Okay, and then you're going to create a password, because you're going to be able to log in and out of this website, tvcmatrix.com, daily to check your earnings and also other marketing material, etc. Now, once you do that and you pay, you're done. Okay, you'll have an option to go back, or it should take you on that screen. It'll say become an associate. Okay.
And you'll be taken to the MCA sign-up page. Now we're going to focus on the MCA Total Security Package, which is this one right here. As you can see, it has the most benefits. It's 100-mile towing, RV, motorcycle and trailers, legal benefits, travel assistance, home and abroad, up to $50,000 accidental death and disability benefit, with a hospital payment, daily hospital payment, and the ER benefits. This is also the way you get paid your $80. When someone does this particular MCA Total Security, you'll get the $80 payment. So you definitely want to be at the MCA Total Security level, and all you do is press on this Upgrade Now button, and that's going to take you to the next page, where you're just going to type in your full name, your email address, your phone number, credit card number, and then you'll do the drop down boxes for your expiration date, billing zip code. Now this is the zip code where you get your bill, and then you're going to do the card security code. Now that's found, the 3 numbers on the back of your Visa or MasterCard are the 4 numbers on the front of your American Express, and you're just going to type those in. And then you're going to choose a password, whatever you want it to be, and you're just going to type it in. Now, type it in and write it down somewhere, because you're going to need this password. And just write it down exactly as you type it in. You'll need this password later. You'll place your order. It's going to take you to this page, your street address, where you want them to mail your card, apartment, suite if you have one, your zip code, city you live in, and your state. Then you're just going to go down here and press the Send My Membership Card button. And it'll tell you your membership card is on the way. Now, this is where you register to earn your commissions. You're going to earn commissions on every sale you make. Easy to supplement your income, easy to use the Get Weekly Paycheck system to make a ton of money. Now, here you go. Just press on this button, Become an Associate. That's going to take you to this page. You're going to type in your tax ID number. Now that's your social security number or your employer identification number. Now, if you do not have a corporation or an actually registered business, just use your social security number. Now, if you have a corporation or registered business, you can use your employer identification number if you need to. Again, if you don't have an actual incorporated business or an LLC or a corporate entity, just use your social security number. And then you're going to put in your referral code. Now, you're choosing this. This is what's going to be on your website. You see where it says personal sales site, tvcmatrix.com? What you type in that referral code box is what is going to be on the end of that TVC box. Now, I want you to know something. It's case sensitive. What that means is, as you see what I've typed in, there is no capitalization in what I just typed in. But if you use capitalization, you're going to see capitalization in your website address, which is tvcmatrix.com/whatever you type into the referral code. And then you're just going to agree to the terms and conditions and press on the Register Now button, and you can become an associate. All right, your registration is complete. Now, look at that website address. As you can see, where it says Best Auto Club 123, that's what I typed in to the referral code box right there. So as you can see, no capitalization, that's how it came out. Then you're going to press back to home, and you're going to see your name on top of this website, and that's going to let you know that everything went through. Now this is your site.
Congratulations for joining MCA. If you have problems with enrolling and you need some extra assistance, get back with the person who brought you to this video and they'll walk you through that process. But you should be able to enroll in 5 minutes or less, okay? Now, we are done. Congratulations. Welcome to MCA. What we're going to do is you're going to get back with me or your sponsor. We're going to show you where you can get your training, so therefore you can go ahead and get started. There's tons of free training on YouTube and Facebook. So, you know, for people who can train, there's tons of free training, but we have our own special recipe of training that's going to help you. So at this time, once you enroll, get back with your sponsor and let us get you out your training, so therefore you can start immediately making money, okay? You're actually going to start posting ads, answering inbound calls, and enrolling new members just like you. You're going to give them an opportunity to work from home and get good benefits, and you earn $80 per referral, $80 to $90 a referral. So with that being said, thanks so much for your time. Take control of your life, your destiny, and let's see you help a lot of people and make great income at the same time. So we'll see you later. All right, bye.